I am 17 minutes late. It takes me 5 minutes to get where I'm going, but my friends are gonna be so mad at me. I am so sorry, Alice and Senna, when you guys see this. I just had to do a reel, and I actually don't even like my reel, but I'll show you guys the reel that I was making. I don't know if I'm gonna post it or not, but just follow me on Instagram so that you can see my other reels. I'm ready. Good morning. So I guess I'm doing a vlog. Enjoy. Okay, first things first, I have to do my laundry. I need some clean clothes for work. And then I'm gonna spill some old wine that's been chilling in my fridge for like 3-4 weeks. I realized I actually don't like alcohol, guys. Weird, but anyways. And then I have to take out the bin. Don't mind the hubbly. Probably like the worst part of adulting, taking out the trash. I really hate it. I feel like it's a job for men. And I think growing up, I've never taken out the trash like higher. Like, I can do other things, but not take out the trash. So, I need a man to live with, honestly. This is my boyfriend's sub. Literally always full. I'm gonna check, but I know I'm gonna leave the stuff on the side. Full. And then my next mission was to clean my fridge. So I was just taking out old stuff. This is I'm sad. I literally only ate 2 fours. I only had 6 VLOGMAS. I had half of this. However, guys, look at these cute pajamas I bought at like Small Street. Okay, it wasn't Small Street, it was actually Randburg. I also got this really nice dress that I'm gonna wear on my birthday. I can't wait for you guys to see me. However, it's super cute. Shame. Today I am cleaning. I am like proper cleaning. So I'm hanging up some clothes that have literally been chilling on a chair for like 300 days. Yeah, Sunjay, you know, like I still have my old washing that I only folded when I started doing my new washing. So yeah, so that's what I'm busy just like storing away. Shame. Like when my life is hectic, it's hectic, and I literally just get dressed off the chair. Now, for my favorite worst part, I have to go clean my toilet. Like, I like a clean bathroom toilet, but I just hate doing it. Like, I actually hate cleaning, basically. I try to clean now and fully clean. These are so ugly. Like, I love my Milos, but I was being a cheapskate, so I bought these from Food Lovers, and they are so ugly. I'm just trying to finish them because I'm trying to finish my groceries before I go home. Otherwise, things are gonna go rotten. Body shame, even the color. Please just look at the color. I can't believe I'm crying. I'm watching the season finale of this K series that I've been watching on Netflix. I watched season 1 in Cape Town with Tabs because he found it for me, and then season 2 came out this year and I've been watching it. It's been so whack, like it's been whack, but now I'm crying because she lost her memory and now it's like, oh, now the guy's in love by him, so it's just, oh guys. So fun fact, my mom actually only buys kicks that you can wipe because she doesn't like kicks that need to be washed. They must be wipeable. So I think I also got into that habit of just buying kicks that you can just easily wipe with some handy Andy. Like obviously every once in a while you have to soak the whole thing, but like right now I'm literally just gonna wipe using handy Andy with that corner, and then December I'm gonna be rocking my Air Force. Hi guys, I'm finally done cleaning like 500 hours later. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna go make myself something to eat because I'm meeting my friends at Mac and Bean soon for like some drinks. It could be tea or like cool drink or whatever, but I don't want to eat at Mac and Bean, so I need to make food here. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat. I'm probably gonna make noodles. Oh, I haven't had noodles in a while. Oh, and wow, I was excited. Yeah, so that's the plan. I'm gonna put on some eyelashes. You guys are gonna see me look so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm excited in advance. I feel like I should do another reel. By the way guys, I did a reel. Let me show you. I did a reel for my boyfriend, but I didn't post it because I don't post reels. I don't know why, but let me show you the reel.
Like you, won't give a fuck about your
girlfriend. Oh wait, that's me.
When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there.
Also, my suitcase is here because I'm about to start packing for December. I can't wait until I'm out of Johannesburg. Like, I can't wait. I don't think I like Johannesburg, and I feel bad for saying that, but I think I'm gonna enjoy Johannesburg when I'm like making real money. At the moment, I'm not enjoying it. It's not my city. Like, I'll give it 2 out of 10, 1.5 out of 10. I mean, other people are having a lot of fun, trust me, like a lot of fun. If you like grooving and all that, then this is definitely the place to be, but for me, nah. Nah. Okay, so please guys, obviously you don't watch my channel for the makeup, so please don't judge me. I'm really basic with my skills. I literally just know how to do my eyebrows, put on foundation, and yeah, and a bit of eyelash, and that's about it. Like to the point where I was trying to put on eyelashes here, and guys, like ngiyazama ukulabo ntombo, but yeah, I got over it. I said I'm gonna put on some mascara because you know my eyelashes are long enough. Because yeah, also I was gonna be late. I just did not have time to learn how to put on eyelashes. Ish, tough times are lasting. Okay, so I'm just trying to see if my outfit is coming together. Had to fix my boob. Oh, I hate big boobs, but I love them. Also, the reason my face is just so like unimpressed is because they did the wrong color on my hair. I am 17 minutes late. It takes me 5 minutes to get where I'm going, but my friends are gonna be so mad at me. I am so sorry, Alice and Senna. When you guys see this, I just had to do a reel, and I actually don't even like my reel, but I'll show you guys the reel that I was making. I don't know if I'm gonna post it or not. Follow me on Instagram so that you can see my other reels. I'm really into reels these days. I feel like if I was a TikToker, like if I got into TikTok when it arrived, I would have been like famous, but I just didn't understand it and I didn't have time for it and was locked down, so it was like, what am I gonna TikTok about? But yeah, anyway, so I'm going to see my friends. Shades for the girl. You know what it is. Everything I do. Okay, no, let me not wear my sunglasses. But yeah, okay. Bye-bye. I'll chat to you guys at Mug and Bean.
Oh, we've decided to move from Mug and Bean because they're closing at 5. And so they kept on asking us, like, you know, when are you guys leaving? Oh, no. They kept on asking. So anyway, we're moving somewhere else. So,
because I'm late. Also, I'm using this mask. Oh, it's got a little stain because I've got makeup on and I'm gonna take it off in like 2 seconds. I don't want to waste a surgical mask and it's gonna get makeup on it, if you get what I'm saying. I'm finally here, like 200 hours late.
we're here. She's here. That's what matters.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. No. Like the non-alcoholic drinks.
It's fine. I don't want to be a nuisance.
What are you getting, Alice? I just want, like, they look like they have some really...
Can you guys see how pretty they look? It just laid, okay. Sunglasses up there. Trying to catch some Joburg men. Oh my god.
No.
Hi, Ali Cat.
Hi, what did I do on camera?
Introduce yourself. Who are you to me?
Okay, so my first like distinct memory was when we were in grade 4 and Small pulled me aside and said she has a big secret to tell me.
Was this when I had my cell phone in my face case?
No, and I felt really honored, and then she was like, look, I have a cell phone, and then
it was a big deal. Mrs. Ford was going to confiscate it, so please. That's when you became my best friend.
And then it was a Samsung slide phone. So
and you said that. Who are you?
So I
am
a fangirl. I'm just fangirling.
No, you're not a fangirl.
I am. No, I'm the biggest fangirl. I'm so obsessed with
her. Annoying. You're so annoying.
She hates me because that's all I say. But anyway, I met this girl at Allen Gray, and one thing I really remember, like we were trying to like brainstorm how to like market the foundation better, and everybody's like giving these ideas. So Nogucha goes up and is like, okay, like first of all, the golf tees. All she said was the golf tees. No.
I don't even remember that.
She was like, the golf tees, like, because they wanted us to market it like Fellowship Fridays.
Oh, yes.
And they wanted us to walk over campus with those golf tees. Girl, you were like,
I remember.
No.
Okay, but the funny thing is that I actually do wear those golf tees when I'm cleaning though. So when I'm cleaning.
I'm not even recording. I was not recording this whole time. I'm hacked. Anyways, as I was saying, Senna is traumatized because this lady was basically grinding on this old man at the bar. I mean, get your bag, sis.
Like, she's just like, I'm gonna spend your money.
Okay, I'm closing off my vlog. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you. It's been great.
Thanks for watching us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and all of those things. Yeah. Bye-bye.